isa na namang magandang pag-uusap itong pangatlo na ma'am, strike 3. Nauna, strike 1, -3 sa SWS. Strike 2, Pulse Asia, -14 and -15, both sa trust and approval rating. Ngayon, strike 3, Publicos Asia, -27.
We've never seen anything like this in the entire history of our country. Ganitong kasama na president supposedly, no? Imagine the net rating is -27 sa cabinet yan, no? So, ang ibig sabihin, well, sa totoo lang, talagang mga inutil din itong mga cabinet niya, no? Katulad din sila Cristina Frasco na dapat noon pa yan talagang sinipa palabas sa cabinet, no? Kasi very shameful yung kanyang talagang inutil na napaka yung kanyang performance, and we all know that the tourism is not a light portfolio, no?
Yeah.
It creates millions of jobs if you do your job well, Cristina Frasco, but you're not interested in that. Gusto mo lang i-promote yung pagmumukha mo, 'di ba? The narcissistic secretary and so incompetent, 'di ba? And we also hear all these diva stories about her that really matches her performance, no? Her abysmal performance. So there's also that, but we'll always go back to the terrible leadership of this president. I've never seen anything as horrific as this, Eric. Have you? I mean, talagang it's already in other words talaga yung sinabi natin na the writing is really on the wall. Bongbong Marcos, you're no longer president. Talagang you're a lame duck president already. Kahit na ano pang gawin mo, kahit na ano pa ang gawin mo, tapos na. Hindi mo kasi naintindihan yung kahalagahan ng tiwala ng taong bayan. At nilapastangan mo ang Pilipino at nilalapastangan mo pa rin hanggang ngayon. Ganyang kakatanga. Ganyan ka talaga. So unfit to be president, no? Na alam na niya na ang pagbagsak, no, one main reason is the corruption, yung pagnanakaw niya. Iinsultuhin pa yung katalinuhan ng Pilipino na gagawa pa ng siya nag-create ng komisyon na yan, yung ICI, siya pa nag-appoint ng members, tapos halata sila na pinagtatakpan nila ang pinaka-mastermind. Diba? So, itong buong gobyerno ang ginawa niya sindikato. At yan ang naramdaman ng Pilipino. So talagang any association with a president like that, no, with a person like that, is a kiss of death. Wala kang kapasidad para mahiya.